You're welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Abdullahi Falade. Thank you for watching. In this video, I would like to show you how to use 3D map in Microsoft Excel. I know you are aware that you can use 3D map in Tableau Public, in Power BI, and some other data visualization tools. But I can tell you confidently that you can also do the same in Microsoft Excel. However, you might need to upgrade the version of the Microsoft Office you are using. In this case, I would like to show you here that I'm using, let me go to the account, and I will show you that I'm using the 2019 version. So you might have to get your 2019 versions or higher versions of Microsoft Office. So this is a sample data set where we have the order ID, the role ID, the ID date, ship date, which already tell us that this kind of data is a sales transaction data. We have the sales, we have the quantity, we have the discount, and we can see some columns that shows the country, which is United States. Let's check using the drop down. You can see that it's just United States. We have the city and we have the state. More importantly, we have the postal code that will enable us to get our 3D maps. So now let's go to insert and you go to 3D. Open the 3D map. With this, I can scroll down and I click on new tool. So immediately I click on the new tool, I have this pops up and it's telling me what exactly do I want to do. So don't forget, this is a blank a word map, and I need to fit in what I need to do in order to get the location. So I go to the location, add fit, and you can see I have options like count of state, postcode, and under I can also see categories, the city, the country, etc. So I'm going to choose the postcode because the postcode is so powerful to be able to get location easily. So can you see, immediately I put on the postcode, I can easily zoom in and it's going to tell me what is there. I'll click on this map label and you can see that automatically I have the United States, and at any point where there is a transaction you can see the postcode located there. If I want to make it a flat map, I can also do the same, whereby I'll be able to drag it either to the right or to the left, and I can zoom it so that I can see what is going on. Here you can see what is going on in terms of the sales being made. You can look at California, Arizona, the New Mexico, Colorado, etc. So with this, you can also make some kind of adjustment. Here you can change some settings. You can just say this is a 3D map, sales view. So we're trying to see the sales view, the 3D map sales view, and I can make this to appear in 20 seconds, just like when I'm doing my PowerPoint presentation. So I want to stop at 20. Boom. The transition time. Yeah, I think I'm fine with this now. We want this to happen. So 3D map sales view. So you can see what is going on now. and boom, you have this. If I want it to be only the map in the map form, I can take it back in the map form. So that means I have to off it from the flat map so that I will only have, but I think that of the flat map make more sense to me because I can see the names are there. I can also see the postcode as well as the location where they belong. So these are the things you can do. Let's try and play this and let's see what happens. So you can see this, boom. And also if it is in terms of the 3D, which I did earlier, I'll have to have this so that I can have the 3D. So for the 3D, I can also add something here under this location. I can also put the city. So I can put the city there, or I can use the states, depending. But you can see that it's not as working as the postcode. So the postcode works better and it gives what we needed. So if I play this also, the 3D, let me zoom it in. If I play the 3D also, you see how it appears. You can see that now. So this is how you can deal with your 3D map in Microsoft Excel. Once you have the postcode, be it the city, be it and of course every postcode is unique. Even where you are at this moment, the postcode is unique. If you want to see the layer pane, you can also see it. If you want to have it, you can click it here. So you can add a legend, you can do a kind of a text box and a lot of things. So this is how you can use a 3D map in Microsoft Excel. Do not forget to like, share, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you and bye for now.